I have this new dash camera out of the van, but it runs the cord around and down, close it in the glove box, and into the 12-volt adapter. But this one is always on, and the best I can tell, this one is always on. So when I turn the ignition on and off, these will always be running, so that camera is always running, which isn't really what I want. But I noticed that the light has a off or an on, always on, an on with the ignition, and then an off mode. So I think I can pull ignition power off of this for a 12-volt power adapter. And if I pull this out, just give it a tug, it unpulls. And you can see I've got a lot of room in the wires for the adapter. Kind of feed down through. Those come down. I think I can make some pigtails that will just clip into the power here. And I don't have to cut any wires. I could just make something work. This is the power coming in. Pretty sure of that. And these are the ground wires. The black one on the left is always on ground. The right one is the door switch ground. It took me a minute to remember that they switch the grounds on for the doors. I've put together a couple pigtail jumpers. So you take the power, goes here, plus the power going to this, the ground and the switch ground. I gotta do a little bit of work here. These are heat shrink tubes so that they don't short against each other. Now I have the dash camera, the short cable going up through here to the power adapter, which I think is a big win.